We're going to study the basic sentence structure in Chinese, which is very powerful, and it will help us to express ourselves in a good way, following the grammar rules. So let's see an example of this structure, which is subject plus verb plus object. For example, I buy things. In Chinese, 我买东西. So we have here the subject, which is 我, I. Then the verb, 买, which is to buy. And to finish with, we have the object, 东西, which is a generic word in order to express things. I buy things. Another example, you write letters. 你写信. We write letters. As you can see here, we just change the subject. This time is 我们写信. Another one. 我吃米饭. I eat rice. 我吃米饭. Then we change the object. This time we say 我吃饺子. 饺子 are these Chinese dumplings. They are really tasty. 我吃饺子. You drink water. 你喝水. 你喝水. I go to China. 我去中国. Very interesting here. We don't need any preposition in order to express go to a place. We just say 我去中国. "我爱你. I love you. 我爱你. He reads books to study. The thing is that when we use this expression in Chinese, we're referring to study books, okay? Read books, but studying them. 他读书. 他读书. I have money. 我有钱. 我有钱. Now a question. 这是什么? What is this? 这是什么? And the answer? This is an alien. 这是外星人. So with this fun example to finish with, now we understand much better this structure in Chinese. Very powerful. Remember, we just use subject, verb, and an object in order to form this basic sentence structure in Chinese.